kweth makelo tulo e romo mag siasa kata romo mamoko ma obagi gi jotelo. Kindiki oloso ka ogolo chik mono minon kendo ka okang' ma kweth manyocha ogoyo koko e romo mag jatend piny Kenya e kaunti ma Bomet kod Kericho.
Politicians are allowed to differ on ideologies, programs, policies, and viewpoints because our constitution allows multi-party democracy. However, no politician of whatever stature is allowed to use violence, goons, and other criminals to harass, intimidate, or incite the public against each other. And I have left very firm and clear directives on the Trans Nzoia County Security Committee to be firm, ruthless, and merciless on all people who sponsor, finance, encourage, support, aid, and abet goons and political thugs who go to disrupt meetings organized by people of a different viewpoint. And it doesn't matter whether the organizers and sponsors are pro or anti-government. We will crush them equally.